Popular social media sensation and TikToker Pretty Dawn has expressed fear for her life after a fellow TikToker turned up at her house, allegedly brandishing a high-powered weapon along with other men and threatened her life. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Venice Samantha Parks, more popularly known as Pretti, has expressed fear for her life after she alleged that she was threatened by another fellow TikToker while at her home doing her live streams. Pretti, who is known for her provocative and unfiltered rant, has since not gone live since the incident. Since news broke of the incident, Pretti has posted a video urging the individual, who many describe to be Blamdem allegedly, to turn himself into the police. Pretti is widely regarded as one of the social media sensation who does not care who she rant about, and some of the time disrespect some very key individual in the social media world and also the music industry. Since news broke of the incident, many have took to social media in order for their voices to be heard about the incident, and many have expressed that this is a prank based on the fact that Blamdem and Pretti are said to be close friends. Up to the publication of this report, it's not immediately clear why these individuals turned up to Pretti house, and she has not stated why so far. However, Pretti has stated that she has filed a police report and are asking these individuals to turn themselves in so the matter can be sorted out in the most possible and quickest manner. Since news broke of the incident, many videos have surfaced online with individuals giving their views and opinion about the incident.
And not more than in guys station I try set me up for me get deported and a problem. And he say no work and he come with the internet. Look, me can't go for apps and no wear no mask. Tell the people them see a prank. We tell like see Nicki Minaj. Tap tell like on the clot man. Tell the people them say a liar clot tell pan man. How the hell me go there on the phone with the woman and a video me a video. Eh? A video me a video. How the hell? Me go, tell the people paper, me tell you it's a paper. In my world log them a friend and me never know. Me never know paper. And him a big up pearl dog. Paper into clear lie. That's here him a make people post more. It has alleged that Nicki was on the phone with Blamdem. All the hell me and Nicki on the phone and a video me a video. Eh? Watch the video, people. I'm going to show you the video again. Watch the video again, people. See the video, people. Look. You don't see me in Namatic. You don't see me in Namatic. Eh? Look here now. See video, people. See me on my phone in my hand. Look here now. See video when I make with my phone in my hand. That video I make. That video I make when I see me with my phone in my hand. I was making this video. So when I tell her I say me the on phone in Nicki Minaj, a lie she tell. She told a lie. I can't say she bad minds, bro. Pretti bad mind. Alright. People, I'm going to show you how I know say Pretti bad mind. Remember, you know, when Nicki Minaj come give me a something, the next day she come out, I show, all of a sudden she a show a video. Say Nicki Minaj text her from 2021. You remember, paper? She come and talk about say Nicki Minaj text her from 2021. I'm sure she a show say, and they say we are just come to this. A bad mind in bad mind. Who remember, paper? Who remember when she come on her live and the show say, she and Nicki Minaj, the text from 2021. And they talk about say me a just and me my child for the time the paper. See people say yesterday, she a child for me. She a child for me from the time there. So from the time she get bad mind. You see me paper. From the time she get bad mind. You know see it? Alright. See people must say true there. But I'm glad I don't see it. I'm glad that people see it. And from the time she a child for me paper. She a child when I say, oh blame them. You know, and he called me on the phone and say, you're Friday. Where you make Nicki Minaj a gift? Jaden them funny, one of them. I don't control Nicki Minaj money. Nicki Minaj give who the hell she want to give. I cannot tell Nicki Minaj who to give. She's just supporting me like a normal person. I don't even have Nicki Minaj's phone number. I don't know Nicki Minaj from a can of paint. I just know that she a rapper. Me not have Nicki Minaj's number. Me don't know nothing about Nicki Minaj. She just come give me because me funny. I don't have Nicki Minaj's number. I don't know Nicki Minaj from a can of paint. How than just how she know me off a TikTok. Same like how she know you. And so she know me too. Nicki Minaj give Shibada. Yesterday Nicki Minaj up on live with Shibada. So how the hell me for bad mind? Nicki Minaj give you all away, bro. So where you the bad mind for Pretti Dan? You know get your turn from chat all half days. And you come and show off for me. You come and show off for me. And a show text with your Nicki Minaj from 2021. And they talk say, oh, I just come to Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj a friend from 2021. And they burn me out a show shade see me. I talk about say, yeah, Nicki Minaj a friend from 2021. And they get bad and they bad mind me. After the day them shall know see a bad mind. And you Pretti Dan me go move from further because of you. Because you expose my picture. Paper. Pretti Dan use reverse psychology pound one mind game. Which one are more in trouble? Me trouble how much man. Squash them how much man want catch me for do me things. Much people me trouble on this. And they want catch me for do me things. Now when Pretti Dan expose my picture, what me go do now? Eh? No, Pretti Dan expose my picture, what me go do now? Eh? What me go do now? Because me can't say no me that now, you know. Me can't say no me that. Or what me go say? Eh? Me can't say no me that because me attack on the video. Me can't say no me that. Me can't say no me that. Me can't say no me that. For a style she use for me and trick me. And me can't do a prank. And when me go do a prank now. No, me go do a prank now. She expose my picture. And make it like say me do her something. A problem she put me in her right now. And they use reverse psychology, boy. Or you ain't traumatized when real dog pull matic pan you. Eh? Or you ain't traumatized when real dog pull matic pan you. Or you ain't traumatized when popcorn rush your and roll the river. But or you traumatized with me just come here yard. Where me a plan and prank. Are you gonna say, you're traumatized, you lie. Tell the people them say a prank. Yo, alright. We don't know. Say, all one come talk of them. We don't talk to one in a youth. And me tell this a Pretti Dan. You're never going to hear say nothing to me. Because right now, that video you post, you just want me to hide more. I go and hide more. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. I go and hide more. So, all I feel like say expose the picture. I hear say something to me. Nothing do me go hide more. Bro, I'm not even sore, bro. What me a sore for? Me know me put out there so me know say one day me don't get exposed. Me know that. People already expose me.
You see right now, me not go back and forth with nobody on social media. Everybody were involved know. The person when me did dep on the phone with, all of that. Everybody where did that try cover it up. Obviously me dep on the road and look somewhere if I live right now. Me not have no time to go back and forth on social media with nobody. Everybody who were involved know what was done to me. I am not in any prank with any of you. And all of them voice note the way I play from February the 3rd. I don't care about none of them. What me want you to do, I do this to me. Go Allendale police station. Go and tell them that you are Ricardo, whatever the fuck you name, sir. I make we deal with this here amicably like people. Me not do no back and forth on a social media because the day when you come on my yard in a mask with gun and the other man them back at you and threaten me and tell me not to call your name on social media again or whatever you gonna do to me, none of that was a prank. I was never a part of that. I never did here one time. You and nobody did a plan that because there is no way more than plan for nobody come blood clot traumatize my life. So what you can do for me today, like on me a drive around and look somewhere for fucking live, you can go turn yourself into Allendale police station so we can deal with this the right way. Me no want to go live. Me no want to do none of that. Me no want to talk about your February 3 voice note them. Me no want to talk about none of that. Clearly them voice note there from when you ask me if you can help you with Shibada, Shalom, Shay and the whole of them. I don't want to go through all of that. What I want to go through is you going down to the station so we can deal with this properly. Thank you. As a rapper, we're so big. The amount of goodness you do for Jamaica culture, bro. You see me? So my time when I feel say not even we artists them not do as much for Jamaica as how you walk around and you give everybody the local highlight, bro. I respect you so much. You don't even understand the respect of me and tell you about it. You see me? Because Some of we artists, them don't even embrace we. Like how you embrace we, bro. And happy feel we certain way. And come go so boom, and bless we up. And send we some gift and thing. And post we and them thing there. Jump on live with we and them thing there, bro. Some of we artists, them feel like
Links 007 TV News will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast.